Hello everyone, and today we are going to crack the case of one-step equations. So for number one, we have x plus 10 equals 20. So how do we crack this case? Well, the first thing we have to do is we have to look at the plus sign here. We got to get x by itself somehow in some way. The only way to get x by itself is to do the opposite of the plus 10. So what is the opposite of plus 10? Is minus 10. So we're going to do minus 10 on one side. Now what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So we're going to go minus 10 here as well. What happens is these cancel out. The plus and minus 10s cancel out. So we're left with x equals 20 minus 10 equals 10. So your answer for the first problem is 10. Let's crack the case of number two. Same thing. Our goal is to get x by itself, okay? So what we have to do is we have to put minus 12. Remember, what we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. So we have to do minus 12 here as well. So we got to get 12 canceled out, which we've done that. So we have 21 minus 12, which equals 9. So we bring the x down, so x equals 9. Number three, same thing. We got to get x by itself. So in order to get x by itself, we have to do the opposite of plus 7, which is minus 7. So we're going to do minus 7 here. Now what we do to one side, we do to the other side as well. So we're going to do minus 7 here. 7s cancel out. We bring down the x. X equals 10 minus 7 equals 3. Last one. So the key is again, x by itself. We have plus 6 here. So we got to do minus 6 here. And what we do to one side, we got to do to the other. So we go minus 6 where the 16 is. We bring the x down because we're solving for x. So x equals 16 minus 6 equals 10. And that's your answer. So we have just cracked the case of one-step equations. For the next video, I'm going to show you how to crack the case where we're going to do x minus instead of x plus, the number. All right, so I will see you on the next video.